Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Violet and I'm super happy to have you here. I'm the other half of Two Sisters Makeup, and in today's video we're going to be doing a collective haul. I haven't done one of these in some time now and I think it's overdue, so you know what? Let's bring them on back, at least while I'm still kind of doing YouTube, and let's go ahead and see what I got. So I'm going to jump into Amazon first because I just received my package. I just saw a video last night about a brilliant idea on how to make your own magnetic palette out of one that I already have, kind of repurposed. So the first part, I will link the video that I saw in the description box. They're adhesive magnetic sheets. It's from the brand called Mr. Pen. I believe that it was 4 in a pack for $8, I think, something like that. It wasn't that expensive at all. Hopefully these work for what I need, and the hold, they are pretty you can feel the weight on them and stuff, so I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. But the next part that I needed were some more of the little magnetic circles that, if you're familiar with eyeshadow depotting, or I've never heard of it, I will link a video down below. This one, I was just gonna buy just a depotting tool to take out my eyeshadows out of my palettes, but in this little pack it came magnetic pieces in a square form, in a circle form, and the tool all together for $7. So I was like, this is a better deal, obviously, since I need the magnetic backings. So this is the sticky residue. Of course, I'm not going to take it off because I'm not using it yet. And so that's just a peel off sticker, stick that on the bottom of the eyeshadow pan. And then this is your magnetic piece that will actually show, so it will blend in with your single shadow. And then this will magnetize to the sheet, or like I said, a magnetic palette. And then also the depotting tool. So just the depotting tool alone is only $5, which is not that expensive anyways. But I actually needed more of those little magnetic stickers and the tool, so this one was just a better deal for me. Looks like this, and it's actually a pretty decent weight to it. It's got this more pointed, and it's still flat. It actually has a little bit of thickness to it, not too much. Hopefully that's not going to be a bothersome for my eyeshadows or be troublesome trying to take them out. And then they have this more rounded edge. So next up is Target. I originally went to Ulta first to find the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift Mascara that everyone has been talking about. So my Ulta didn't have it, so I had to head to Target, and luckily they had it. So I did pick it up. I will have a first impressions video coming up, and I will have an Instagram reel. And then the next thing that I saw at Target in the little dollar spot section, well, technically dollar spot, technically it's 1 to 5 section, I saw some reusable makeup remover pads. I was eyeing these on the Shop Say website, but it's only one for about almost $2. While it's not a bad deal, I know that I could have found cheaper, so I held off on that, and luckily Target came out with their own little pack. They had 2 options. They had this one where it's a 6 count and they're pretty small, and then they also have ones where they were a little bit bigger, and I think those were only in a 3 count, and it was the same price. This was $3, the other one was $3, so for more bang for my buck type of person, I went for the one that came in with more. So when you open it up, it comes with its own personal little mesh bag, so you can stick it in the washing machine. They're not going to fly, you're not going to lose them, they're not going to get messed up, so I like that. I did open this before just to kind of see how they are, and I am missing one, so I'm going to have to go back. Are kind of small, but not too small. I think that they'll work for the face. At least you should get one half of the face on one side, and then the other half of the face, I will see if they take off mascara, if they take off difficult lipsticks, etc. So I will be trying those as well. This was actually a couple months ago, and I completely forgot in my recent video to show y'all. Kind of in the Christmas, kind of not sort of video, but I picked up the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. I know, finally, I am late to trying new products, and you know what, that's okay, it happens. Originally had got this because I was almost running out of my all-time favorite Wet n Wild bronzer. I showed it in my Christmas haul, which if you didn't watch that, I will link it down below. And if you didn't watch my Alley Oop First Impressions video, I will link that down below. But I didn't know that Amazon had sold my Wet n Wild bronzer, so that's why I bought this one in case I didn't find that one anymore. And lastly is, you're like, what is that? Well, let me tell you, it's a magnetic palette full of gorgeousness, sparkliness, vivid, bright, fun shades that you're just going to want to see, and you're just going to become addicted like me. Since I've not really been into buying eyeshadow palettes or really buying a lot of makeup, I'm pretty content with the range of eyeshadows I have, the range of colors, color options. I don't really feel like I need to add anything else. I've been recently buying a lot of duochrome or multi-chrome single eyeshadows, and therefore this palette is almost full of those. So I have them, all the names here. This is from, again, these 3 rows are all from Looxi Beauty. It's L-O-O-X-I. There's no E at the end. I was an idiot in spelling. And then down here, these 2 bottom rows are Copacetic. So this is Cookie Dough, Solstice, Glass Wing, Gingerbread, Caterpillar, Nectar, Peacock, and Phone Home. Second row, we have Hocus Pocus, Jelly, Painted Lady, Screwball, Alpha, Apollo, Electric Venom, Dido. And then this third row, we have Dark Side of the Moon, Joker, Supersonic, Abracadabra, Hybrid, and Snickerdoodle. So down here is Cake Cutting, Bed Knobs and Broomsticks, Early Mornings, Sunshine, Greener Grass, and I Move the Stars for No One. Then we have Pazu, Linger, Equinox, Missy, Lovebirds, and Oxidation. That is everything that I have to show y'all in this haul. Let me know if any of these, let me know if you've tried the mascara, let me know if you've tried the bronzer, let me know if you've tried your own depotting, making a magnetic palette. Just let me know everything in the comments down below. I would love to see you there and chat with you. As always, have an awesome rest of your day and or week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.